The first one is that family is a universal group. It is found in the some form or the other in all types of societies, where primitive or modern. Family is based on the marriage, which results in a mating relationships between two adults of opposite sex. Every family provides an individual with the name, and hence it is a source of, you can say, the status of an individual within a society. Family is a group through which descents or ancestry can be traced. Family is the most important group in individual life. Family is the most basic and the important group in the primary socialization of an individual when an individual born. So its first interactions, you can say, come into the existence with the family. So the basic norms, the values, or the definition of the life an individual learned from their primary socialization, like from their family. A family is generally limited in size, even large, joint, and extended families. The family is the most important group in a society, and it is a nucleus or of all institutions, organization, and the groups. Family is based on the emotion and sentiments, mating, procreation, maternal or uh, love and affections are the basis of the family ties. The family is the unit of emotional and economic cooperations. Each member of family share duties and the responsibilities. Every family is made up of husband, wife, or uh, one or more children, both natural and adopted. So each family is made up of different social roles, like who of those of husbands, wife, mother, father, children, brothers, and the sisters. So there are some functions of the family as a social group and as an important social institution. The family perform so many functions that are as follows. The number one is procreation. Family is the unit through which procreation take place. Marriage sanctions sexual relationships, and it also establish a family, which is further reinforced with the birth of the children. The process of the reproduction is institutionalized, regulate, and controlled in a family. The family is legitimates the act of the reproduction. The third one is the family helps in propagation of the human species and the perpetuations of the human race. The fourth one is the family provides an individual with an identity. It is through the family every family name is carried on from one generation to another. Family is responsible for the production and upbringing of the children. Family is an important agent of the socialization, so the primary socialization of an individual takes place within a family. So immediate or the sudden family members teach all the basic rules and the norms of the social field to a child. Family is also an important agent of the cultural transmissions. Cultural is transmitted from one generation to another through the family. All the aspects of the culture are learned within a family structure. So family is a great source of strength, emotional and psychological for its member. All the members are aware that they can depend upon their families in times for a need. Family provides an individual with a home and establish enduring social relationships. The family is the basis of the division of the labor, where all the members have their duties and obligations toward each other. If family the family is the basis of if family fulfills the economic needs of its members, this function has undergone a transformation, which family is moving from being production and the consumption units in a earlier time, so becoming a more consuming units rather than producing ones. So nowadays members of the family no longer produce the things themselves, rather they go out and work for some monetary remuneration or the wages. So family is traditionally responsible for the education of the children. And the last one is that family also has a recreational function. Earlier most recreation was family based. Family gatherings during festivals, functions, family reunions, and the marriages brought entire families together. Nowadays taking family members out on a holidays or for a movies, play dinners or parties, etc., perform the same functions.